Welcome to the Queen City.
Hey everyone, welcome back to GovZ Travels. Today we are at one of the busiest and most vibrant airports in the United States, and I can't wait to show you around. Located just 6 miles west of downtown Charlotte, this airport isn't just a place of transit, it's a piece of history. It all began back in 1935 when it was first established as Charlotte Municipal Airport. The city had a vision, and it came to life under the leadership of Ben Elbert Douglas Sr., who was the mayor at that time. In his honor, the airport was later renamed Douglas Municipal Airport, a name that still lives on in its current identity. Today, Charlotte Douglas International Airport, or CLT, has become a global hub, serving millions of passengers each year. It's a fortress hub for American Airlines, meaning most of the flights here are operated by them. As I strolled through the terminals, I noticed how much there is to explore. Over 75 restaurants, from local southern flavors to international bites, and more than 50 shops and kiosks offering everything from travel essentials to Carolina souvenirs. It's more than just an airport, it's an experience. Whether you are on a long layover or have a bit of time before your next flight, CLT has plenty to keep you entertained. So come along with me as we explore the sights, sounds, and stories hidden inside this amazing airport. And as always, make sure to subscribe to GovZ Travels, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite airport or favorite part of this one. Until next time, safe travels.
excited?